that are now coming in of an explosion that was reported on board the Singapore-flagged container ship MV Wanhai around off the coast of Kerala, and the Defence PRO said that 18 crew members abandoned the burning container ship and was then rescued by the Indian Navy and the Coast Guard. Now, what is being said that the underdeck blast was first reported at around 10:30 a.m. by the Maritime Operators Centre in Mumbai to their counterparts in Kochi, as the 270-meter-long vessel with draught of 12.5 meters had left Colombo on the 7th of June and was en route Mumbai and was expected to arrive on the 10th of June. Now, the Western Naval Command redirected the vessel at around 11 a.m. and 18 crew members then abandoned the burning container ship off the coast of Kerala. Thereafter were rescued by the Navy and the Coast Guard. As MV Wanhai 503 on passage from Colombo to Nhava Sheva reported an explosion under deck in position at the Kochi. Crew members that also what is being said that were reported missing, and there are 5 crew members that are reportedly injured. Well, Arpita is joining us live right now. Arpita, what is the status as of now? The ship that was carrying containers, the cargo with over a total crew of 22, what happened with them?
So out of the 22 crew members, now 18 have been rescued, out of which 6 have been admitted at AJ Hospital. So as per the hospital authorities, they have said that out of the 6 who are admitted, 2 are critical. They have suffered 30 to 40% of inhalation burn, and that has caused respiratory illness, and that is serious, and they are undergoing treatment. And the other 4 crew members who are also admitted at the hospital are also taking medical care, but there is nothing to worry about those 4 crew members. But on the other hand, 4 crew members who went initially for the firefighting incident is reported missing, and the Indian Coast Guard and Navy is on its mission to find them. So these 4 crew members include 2 Taiwanese nationals.
22 crew members on board, 18 of them rescued. 4 of them, however, are still said to be missing as far as when it comes to all of the people there that are still yet to be rescued off that burning container. For the moment, thank you very much, Arpita, for joining us live. Now, Malabar Group, the parent company of Malabar Gold and Diamonds,